Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, it's been about 6 months since you've seen pine needles on this channel. I've been using leaves. 6 long months. Well, I was in a favorite part of town yesterday and went ahead and gathered up a pine needle or two. So these are going to work a lot quicker than those leaves did, and that's what I want to show you today. We'll take and lay out 3 piles and ferro rod ignite them. It shouldn't take many strikes to do it. Even though they're not dried out yet, they still have moisture in them. They should work pretty quickly. And so that's one reason why I want to go ahead and try to time my fire roll. You know, about 8 days ago, I made that video where I wanted to see how quickly I could fire roll from when I first start opening up the cotton ball until I have established flames in the stove. And I anticipated that it would take 2 minutes because I was using leaves for tinder. And indeed I was right. It took 2 minutes 3 seconds, and if you go back and watch that video, half of that time was trying to get the leaves to ignite. So I'm anticipating I could redo that and get a lot better time. I'll be disappointed if I can't do it in 1 minute 45 seconds. So let's start off with the ferro rod first. I've got the spine on this Stanley 10-049. I've got it good and sharp, so it should scrape very well. And of course, we'll be using the Bayite keychain ferro rod. I think I'm going to start calling it key ring ferro rod. It makes more sense. A 3-pack of these on Amazon is about $15. Let me show you. I like to process them up a little bit, then open them up into like a horseshoe. And they usually ignite pretty well like that. Now, because there's still moisture in here and in these, they're kind of leathery. They won't break down easily. Let's give it a try. Always wind blowing out here, isn't there? Oh, we were supposed to get some of that cyclone, the tornadoes, the heavy thunderstorms last night, or early this morning about 4 o'clock. It completely passed us by here in the upstate of South Carolina. So I guess we got some rain, but nobody got woke up by it. And here's my tinder bundle. Alright, my time starts when I start opening the cotton. These leaves feel, these pine needles feel kind of damp. Let's see what happens. Stop my time. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. The pine needles are not going to stop me from adding leaves. I'll get some off the ground. Soaking wet. And the ashes are gone. So there's plenty of differences between the long-lasting coals of leaves and the fleeting coals of pine needles. We'll catch you on the next one.